Welcome to Cooking Made Simple. I am MindBlown Chef, and in today's recipe, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make a homemade pesto sauce. Now, I know there's a million of these recipes out there, but it's very important for me to show you. You might learn a tip or a trick that you hadn't seen on another video. Plus, on top of that, I'm going to show you at the end of this video 2 recipes where we're going to use this pesto sauce. There's a few options for tools to use, okay? I'm going to use a Ninja. The Ninja's a lot like a food processor because it has all these blades on it. If you use a blender, the outcome won't be necessarily wrong. It's just not what I'm going for. It will be more creamy, and I want a more chunky pesto at the end. So, food processor, hand blender, or Ninja will work just fine. So when it comes to ingredients, we only have 5 ingredients here. So it's very important that you use the absolute freshest ingredients possible. As you'll see right here, I have a block of Parmesan that I shredded down. Everything I pre-measured for you, I will put in the description below, all the measurements. We have pine nuts, garlic clove, and the basil, and then olive oil. First press, high grade olive oil. You don't want to use anything that's not high grade because most of the flavor is coming from the olive oil. We're going to go ahead and put a half a cup in our measuring cup right there. So what we're going to do is you're going to take that basil, you're literally going to just rip it right off like that, put it in. That's roughly 2 cups of basil. We're going to also place the pine nuts right in there, and we're going to place the cheese right in there, the Parmesan. Garlic cloves in, a little salt and a little bit of pepper, a couple pinches of each. And we're gonna pulse this. I'm not gonna blend it right now because I want a chunky outcome, so I'm just gonna give this a little pulse. Then we get to there, I'm gonna use my rubber spat and I'm just gonna push down that excess on the side. And keep pulsing until everything is nicely chopped up. For the next step, we're gonna slowly emulsify the oil into this. So what we wanna do is we're gonna turn it on, let it blend, and we're just gonna slowly emulsify the oil into the mixture. I'm gonna go ahead, I'll dip my spat in there. I wanna see where I'm at for flavors. If I got enough seasoning in there, salt, pepper. I'm gonna add some more salt. The garlic, the cheese, everything's balanced, everything tastes good. Like I said, I'm gonna put the exact measurements for this in the description below so you won't have any issues. All right, so right from the blender, check out this sexy sauce. Notice how the oil is completely emulsified into the product. If you do it incorrectly and you don't slowly emulsify it, what's gonna happen is your basil and all your solid contents are gonna separate. You're gonna have a bunch of oil on top and it doesn't look good. But that, my friends, is sexy sauce. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Like I said, I'm gonna show you 2 ways to use this sauce. Simple, easy, always. You want me to look over there? Is that what you want me to do? Thanks again. No, we'll cut that.